elusive SJ Cruz. Oh, there's two of them. Oh, it's because they're everywhere in the Philippines. Just some people are stupid and don't know how to buy them right. Then they want to make up fake shit. Fake news. Fake news. FJ Cruises are everywhere, but don't be fucking stupid and listen to some YouTubers that don't know their ass from the hole in the ground. Peace. Here's the Kristine in her natural habitat, buttering and eating her bread. It's good. Here's our view. What's this place called? What's this called?
Manor Camp Janhay.
There you go. Where are we at?
Manor Camp Janhay. But I'm not really so sure.
We're in Manor Camp Janhay. And we just ordered 2 USD steaks. Kristine got one and I got one the same. Mashed potatoes. I'll show you it when they come out. It's only 1,900 pesos. It's pretty cheap. It's almost like 40 bucks a steak. No big deal. We like steak. Can't you tell? The restaurant's really nice. We got a really nice breeze going on. Take that, eat it. Just brought me an iced tea. Let's see how this tastes. Yum yum, tastes like a mixed iced tea. We like the mountains and the hills. And this window is putting in a breeze. See? Look at that napkin ability. See? But there's a breeze going by. It's pretty good. There's artwork going on. And here's behind me.
I was just gonna go look in the painting.
Oh.
I think that was the first one.
It's art. Alright, she's gonna go look at it and I'm gonna wait for the steak, so I'm gonna say bye until the food gets here. Alright. Here's the food. Kristine. Kristine loves steak. She's a steak eater now.
I'm a steak lover.
Steak lover, yeah, a beef lover. Here's mine. As you can see, we already got it. I forgot the video, so I'm making a video in the middle of eating it, but yeah, it's good. It's a great steak. Great cut. It tastes like USDA. We'll see. The mashed potatoes are good. They taste different than the ones we get down in Southern Leyte. And then the mushroom gravy. The vegetables are carrots,
Beans.
zucchini, and red peppers and green tomatoes.
I think this is eggplant.
Yeah, it might be an eggplant. Yeah.
Yeah.
Is it eggplant? The tea's already gone. What's on the bread? But it's a very good meal here. You guys ever come up and you want to get away and you want to live a life of luxury, come up here to the Manor in Baguio and Camp Janhay and get it for a night or two or longer if you can afford it. Personally, I couldn't afford it. And then eat here, and it's, yeah, this place is amazing. It's so good. All right. All right. Here's some interesting, cool things about the Manor and Camp Janhay. Here's a picture of it. Hopefully you can see it pretty good, even though the glare. There you go, you can read that. Pause it and read it. Here's the driving range, because they have a golf course here. Camp Janhay. Hopefully you can read that. Some interesting information about Camp John Hayes and everything we got here. It's the old commissary right there. It's now been turned into shops. So we're gonna go check that out here in a bit. But first we're gonna go out here. See what's there. Oh, how pretty it is right there. You got a picture from the waterfall?
The background is this.
It's really pretty here. He's eating lunch out on his veranda. That's cool. Okay. See if we can get Kristen to climb the wall.
Oh yeah. Wall climbing. I'm tired.
Look at these animals. Tiger, elephant, giraffe, peacock, and a big mighty lion. In the wall. But I don't think Kristen's gonna climb that. Yeah. Oh, look at the view over here. Alright, picture time again, so we gotta stop. Alright. He is staring across at Abraham Lincoln. I think that's Lincoln. This is Manuel El Quezon. Philippines American Friendship Garden. Nice distance there, huh? Yep, I was right. Abraham Lincoln. And you go, alright. Goes right to Lincoln. It's really cool. It's really pretty back here. Picture of Jesus. I think this is a wood cabin over here. Might be a CR. I think it's a bathroom. It's a fancy bathroom. Yeah, it's a bathroom. For the little wee wee and a little pee pee. It's a CR. A CR. It's a fancy looking CR hidden out in the middle of the place. That's cool.
Oh my gosh!
What was that? Hippogriff pint. I heard it. Had to leave something for the CR. Woo. Yeah, this is a native hut over here, but it's not a CR. It's really cool looking. This is the backside of the hotel. Yeah, that's cool. Oh, they really burn fire here. Actually, it's really, really pretty. The place is really cool. The view is amazing. I mean, yeah, she likes that picture. I don't know if you guys can see it, but I mean the view. Oh, it's a BB gun. Look at the view. Yeah. Look at that view. That is freaking amazing. Alright, let's go over and see if Kristen can shoot a BB gun. Hold on. Alright, here we are at Camp John Hayes. And we're walking around. It's Kristen. Here's me. And here's our walk to the restaurant is around that way. Kristen wants my fat ass to walk up that freaking hill. She's out her fucking mind.
No, I didn't say to walk up and they're just here.
I know, I'm playing. She don't know how to take a joke. It's not a dick, don't take it so hard. Joke. Anyways, we're going over here to take pictures. So you'll see us in a second. Boom. And here's the map showing Camp John Hay. We are here. Paintball, hey. I don't think it's operational. But some history on Camp John Hay, and you can look it up, probably know more than I will seeing this video, because I didn't do any research to put into this before we came here. Kristen kind of wanted to come here, so we just came. But anyways, it's a former US military R&R base. When we had Subic as our base, they would come up here for R&R because it's nice and cool and it's an area to hang out at, and it's really nice. But yeah, and then here's all the shops. This was the old cantina, a commissary. You know, this is the old commissary for it. Okay, hold on, we're gonna back out. We're backing out right here. But this would be the old commissary area for the troops when they came. They could come and shop and get stuff and all that. And yeah, it's pretty big. And it's right below the two main hotels. Well, three main hotels, so they're right there, all in a row. We ate at this one up here. Yeah. So, yeah. 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 See, it's all the shops are in here now because the military's gone, so now they just put them in the shops for buying stuff. It's really cool. So you got DDs and all that stuff. And, yeah. Everyone's still got Camp John Hay's shirts and stuff that they had for the military. Right here. It's cool. All the different stuff you can buy. Ooh, and vegetables and stuff too. Maybe, only, all kinds of stuff in there. Levi and Dockies, Oakley. Lettuce, potatoes, vegetables, snack thing. Oakley, Van. You know, still got all this stuff up here, so. It's really cool. You come down here and buy stuff, plants and all that stuff. But this is the original commissary for the soldiers on R&R. Ooh, they even get a Victoria's Secrets. No, they really don't. All the signs are not the shops there. Oh, see? Camp John Hay's commissary. Jack Daniels. That's what it is. But all the shops along the back are all closed, so that's why all these shops are in the front here are open. Rabbit Sisig. Now that's interesting. Here's nifty little plants. It's all cool. Here's some other trinket stuffed animals stuff. That's cool. See? It's really yummy. How you doing? Rabbit sisig, huh? Rabbit sisig. You want to try that, don't you? Yummy, yummy. You guys gotta come out here and try all this stuff. What is black Gualaman? What is that? What flavor is that? You want to taste it?
Oh, maybe. So,
Can you get a little sample?
huh? You can just get it.
Alright, get one. Alright, we're gonna try this. We've seen it everywhere, but we've never had it, so. Uh-oh. Hold on. Tell him, wait. Can he break? Oh, okay. Yeah. There we go. Oh, I'm trying to get my wallet. Oh, here we go.
You want to try it also?
I'm gonna try it yours. So how do you explain the flavor of Gualaman? Is that how you say it? Gualaman?
Yeah, gulaman.
Gulaman.
Gulaman is like a jelly.
Oh, it's like a jelly? So it's like a black jelly? That's weird. Huh? Let's see. Oh, here's a straw. Alright, here we go. The straw. Oh my gosh. Crazy. Salamat po. What do you think? Well, she's still sucking on it, so she must
Try
like
it. You're not stuck. It is so familiar.
Yeah, it's sweet.
But I can't tell what
It tastes like a candy. Hey, there's Sabaros. Sabaros pizza. But yeah, no. Like black Gualaman. Let me see. Yeah.
Hard to explain.
Yeah, I don't know how to explain it.
Yeah, it really tastes so familiar.
It's like a candy or something. Man, that is really familiar flavor. It's very sweet. It's good. I don't know. All right, look at Sabaros again. Here, I'll show you the prices for Sabaros. Now remember, everything that I'm showing you in prices are in pesos.
Do you need this? Oh,
Yeah.
the original New York pizza.
Yeah, this is all over the U.S. Yeah, Sabaros. All right, peace.